My living room furniture came today. Well, some of it. So listen, guys, I'm in hallway and I'm trying. Some told me to come home. Like I literally have been kind of running all over the place. Doing errands, and I messed up my leg last night, my knee. Like I sat down, flopped down on the bed like Indian style, and I heard a pop. But I had got out the bed, so I thought I was fine. So when I got ready to get out the bed, go to the bathroom that night to get myself ready for bed, wash my face and stuff like that. But I'm standing up and I'm like, oh my God, it's like something don't feel right in my leg. Then I just started getting shooting pains going up my leg. So y'all let me know what y'all think it is and what I done to my leg. But the show must keep going. So here I am, knowing that I shouldn't be doing this, but I need to get stuff done. And I'm gonna show y'all my stuff from my living room. Boop, 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 boop. Ain't nobody here to help me. Ain't they so wrong? I'm gonna try my best to set this up before they get here. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Like, this stuff that I got, especially this table. Like, the table is heavier than the daggum part of the couch. This. I don't know how this man brought this thing upstairs. Like, it look like it's little, but it's not. It's heavy. And I hope, oh my God, we're gonna have to do the oompa, oompa, oompa doo from Willy Wonka. And that's how we're gonna work this out, because I can't pull this thing, especially on my leg like this. Oompa, oompa, oompa doo. Do, 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 do. Oh, whoop, whoop. Oh my God. No, my God. Rock steady, baby. Okay. I'm finna come and get y'all. Let's call this song exactly what it is. Rock steady, baby. Look. I can't wait till my son get home. My sons get home, I'm putting their asses to work. So here we are. Y'all done already seen how this place look. I know in my last video, kind of showcasing the apartment, the last time y'all seen, I think, no, y'all did see kind of when I first got moved in, when we first got the keys here and I first let the boys see their new home in Houston. Y'all saw that, but y'all haven't really seen the apartment since the apartment hunt. So a lot of y'all was like raving so much about the first apartment, which I loved. Like, and I got so many people ask me, what about that first apartment? What about that first apartment? It's so cute. It looks better than all the rest. And y'all, the way that it's designed, the way that it's laid out, it was so cute. Do you hear me? It was so cute. Y'all seen everything. And then, of course, towards the end of the video, y'all didn't really get to see much because I had to rush. And then some of those people, while they're touring, you're not allowed to actually record. So, which is what I put in my video. If you have not seen that video of apartment hunting in Houston, go check that out. I will be sure to link that down below. But I went to about 5 different locations. Some I researched myself. Some was given to me by an apartment guide, is what you would call, I guess, a helper. Somebody help you look for apartments or whatever. So listen, the apartment that I'm in right now, was definitely included in that apartment tour, okay? I loved the first one, and as soon as I seen the first one, I was like, this is it. I don't want to see no more. This is the one for me. Well, after going to a couple of other different places, I was led here to where I am now. Funny thing is, it's right next door to the first apartment complex that I really, really, really loved. Now, when I came in here though, I was blown away. It wasn't necessarily about how it was designed. It was based off of how spacious it is in here. If you don't know, we're a family of 4. So it's me, my partner, and my 2 sons. I'm used to, in my last place that I was living in Nashville, I'm used to being in a spacious place. Somewhere for my kids to grow, move around, things of that sort. I've always been used to having like an upstairs, downstairs, a place like that. So at first I was originally kind of confused as to if I wanted to go into a home, which I knew I wanted to go into a home, but I still am trying to get familiar with Houston. So I just didn't want to jump into getting in a house somewhere and then not necessarily liking where I was. So I said, let me just go ahead, since this is new, for the first year, I'll go into apartment complex, because as long as it's a gated area with community, as long as it's a gated community, as long as it has great schools, it's in a suburb or a great place, and then everything is kind of central around me, then I'd rather do that and be safe, you know, since I'm new here. And then as I go, I can venture out a little bit more. So I am in Katy, Texas. Like I said before, I decided to get this place because, man, it's so nice and it's so big. Like, this apartment is made for king size furniture in every room. That's how big it is for it to be an apartment. It looks like a big condo, pretty much. Everybody that I've shown this place to is like, oh my God, like, it's huge, it's humongous. And for me, that was more important than the design. Now, don't get me wrong, like, it's really, really nice in here. But the first apartment was way too small. And then I know, and I recall even saying it on the actual video, the apartment tour video, that like, oh, I love this place, but it's so small. I knew it. So to me, which one was better? And they were the same price. So over there, I would be paying for, oh, it's a cute apartment. Over here, I get a cute apartment, a hell of a lot of space, and I have my own wraparound balcony, like on the 3rd floor. Like, I was sold. I was sold. So we've been taking our time with doing things, and I wanted to ensure that I got things that I wanted. So y'all seen when I put my bed and stuff together. Y'all seen where I got my little desk and stuff, and we just kind of been working like crazy. I always wanted this specific type of couch or color couch. And every time I go to order it, it's gone, y'all. Like, it is gone. And I'm like, I never even thought this color couch was this popular, but baby, yes, it is. So instead of just going for, oh, I'm just going to get that just because I want a couch in here. No, I already knew I'm not going to get anything that I don't want. So if I have to wait, that's what I'll do. So see how long I had to wait to get what I wanted? But that should let you know that if you just be patient, then the things that you want will come to you. If you ask for it, you're going to receive it, but it doesn't mean it's going to fall in your lap. I was willing to wait for it. Let's see if it was worth it. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, and my leg is hurting. So I'm going to try and piece this thing together, but I might stop. I want it to be together by the time my family gets home, but child, I don't really know, because my little knee is like, why'd you do this to me? And don't mind me, y'all, I'm looking a mess. Y'all know I've been looking a mess these past couple of vlogs or whatever. It's just because, like, we've been having stuff to do. And I can't be getting cute like that. And then on a regular basis, like, y'all need to understand that YouTubers are human beings. Like, we look a mess like you too, sis. So, hey girl, hey. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. I've been running my errands. I've been outside. This is me. Okay? This is me. Can you see? I ain't even matching. I got on yellow shoes, a gray shirt with orange writing on it. This came from one of my old companies. Some black leggings, honey, and yellow hats. And up under this, I got on my little tie-dye shirt. Tie-dye. Here's my living room. I'm thinking that I want to put the couch and the rug right here. Like, I want to put it right here, I believe. And then I'm going to put the table probably right here. The rug right here. And I think I'm going to get like an accent chair to go over here in this corner to kind of bring it all in. My office, my little office space is right here. Then we're going to put a big old TV up on the wall. So it's coming together slowly but surely. So this is the stuff that I got today. And I'm gonna unpack it. So of course you see this is my rug for my living room. It's like an 8x10 rug. This is my middle part of my couch. The other two sections have not been delivered as of yet today. It is scheduled to come tomorrow. And then that is my table. Y'all probably have seen this table a lot, but let me tell you something. I saw that table last minute and I was like, okay, let me just get it. It'll do. And then I went on YouTube and everybody and their mama got that darn table. Even one YouTuber was like, everybody got their table. And I had no idea. I just got it. But we're going to make it do what it do. It's cute, so whatever. But I can't wait for y'all to see this. So let me get started before I got to go.